Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Sush Dazzles and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Apply foundation and blend with a damp beauty sponge. Conceal dark circles or blemishes if any. Follow with a lighter shade of concealer to brighten the under eye area. Use a flat brush to apply loose powder and set the concealer. Groom and fill in your brows. For a sun-kissed look, apply bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, sides of your forehead and jawline. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Apply a chocolate brown shade to your lids and blend gently. Apply a matte dark brown shade to your lids and extend it outwards. Follow this with a satin rust shade in the center of your lids. Finish with a dark brown shade on the outer corners of your eyes. Apply mascara. Apply liquid liner. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, apply a dark brown shade to your lower lash line and follow with a rust shade over it. Apply mascara on your lower lashes. Apply highlighter on the high points of your face, cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, chin and center of my forehead. Highlight your brow bones and the inner corners of your eyes. Line lips with a nude colored pencil and fill in with the same color. Finish with a nude lip cream. And here you go, Tara Sutaria's gorgeous Smokey Glam. Hope you like it.